How to fix Windows Explorer high memory usage. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. A malware infection may be the cause of Windows Explorer high memory usage. It is important to run a comprehensive security scan to rule out this possibility and ensure that the computer is not infected. Open Start and type msconfig. Under the Services tab, tick the Hide All Microsoft Services box. Click on Disable All button. Head over to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Select a third-party program and click on Disable at the top. Repeat this step to disable all third-party apps and programs. Restart your PC to enter the clean boot state and see if the issue persists. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, select Cloud Download and click on Next. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.